Hello, viewers, and welcome to my channel. Today, I am here to give you a reminder about certain stories which we had studied or which we had heard in our childhood. हम सब ने बचपन में कभी ना कभी वो पंचतंत्र की कहानियाँ होती थीं, कछुआ और खरगोश. Few days back I have talked about it. Then वो शेर आया, he was a liar, and one day actually the lion came and nobody believed on his cries. फिर honesty is the best policy. उसके अलावा लालच बुरी बला है, जैसा करोगे वैसा भरोगे. All such stories which we had studied or heard or learnt in our childhood. Have you ever analyzed that whether it really works in our life or not? Have you given a minute to these idioms or these stories कि ऐसा ऐसा हम सुनते थे बचपन में, सॉरी अगेन अ बैड थ्रोट, ऐसा ऐसा हम सुनते थे बचपन में, क्या एक्चुअली ऐसा होता है? मैं करके देखता हूँ. For example, if a child remains absent every second day throughout the year, आज मेरा ये हो गया, कल मेरा ये हो गया, मैडम मेरे घर में ये प्रॉब्लम है, then this problem, that problem, and the teacher listens what the teacher can do. Finally, something happens that during the examinations or during the periodic tests or during the finals, actually some tragedy happens at his home, like his grandfather passes away, or he meets an accident, or the mother gets operated, and again he takes leaves for 4 or 5 days or so. Now what happens? During the examination, now the teachers are giving record to the authorities. मैडम इसका तो रोज का काम है, पिछले 6 महीने से ये ऐसा ही है. मैम ये तो झूठ ही बहुत बोलता है. मैम कुछ नहीं हुआ इसके घर पे. सो प्लीज डोंट रिलाई ऑन हिम, ही इज अ लायर. कैसा महसूस होगा आपको? इसीलिए इफ यू आर हेल्दी, इफ यू आर हैप्पी, everything is okay at home, do come to the school, do attend the classes. What the teacher asks from you, teacher क्या मांगते हैं आपसे? Only your attendance. At least come to the classes, listen to the teachers, do whatever they ask you to do. 2 sums, 4 sums, 2 questions, 3 questions, half a paragraph, half a chapter, do it. Then you will not be in need of tuitions also. I don't know why you people are having fun in taking tuitions in the evening. When the teachers are there in the school, they are telling you everything. Why tuitions? And even if you think that yes, tuitions are required, then study carefully. Thank you, bless you all, and we will continue.